Hello everyone, welcome to Windows command line tutorial. Today I will show you how to execute Windows commands to open multiple tabs at once in the same window for Chrome browser. There are three ways you can open multiple web pages in different tabs in the same window for Chrome browser. First one is using Visual Basic Scripting method. Second one is by executing basic Windows command method. And the third one is by customizing a startup setting in Chrome and executing Windows commands or by double clicking on Chrome browser icon. Now let's dive into the first method, and that is open multiple web pages in different tabs at the same window for Chrome browser using Visual Scripting method. So I will Notepad++ here. So first of all I will tell you that in Windows command CMD reads RAM as command. So anything you write after RAM, it will not be executed by Windows. So we will give title as open multiple web pages in different tabs in the same window for Chrome browser. Now we will save it as chrome.vbs. Let's say we want to open 4 different web pages in Chrome. And these are the web pages I have chosen. Now put constant 1 second equal to 1 for sleep time. Now we will create object. Set browse will be the object. Create object. So we will call the object browse.run. We will call the object to run the Chrome URL, and we will give the site as address. Now we will set or let's say 20 seconds. Let's copy it once again. Now we will call the site B, and after that let CMD sleep for 6 seconds. Similarly for site C and site D. Now we will set browse object to nothing. So now we will run this script by using a start command. So I will go to the desktop and properties, take the location, So I will run it in CMD. Here you can see I have opened 4 tabs in the same window of Chrome. First one is Google, Apple, Microsoft, YouTube. You can set your own URL and execute using this single command. This will run any command, anything, any app. Now let's dive in the second method, and that is open multiple web pages in different tabs in the same window for Chrome browser by executing basic Windows commands method. So, you type command 1 and command 2 and command 3. Here AND is used to separate multiple commands on one command line. CMD runs the first command and then it will run the second command, and after that it will run the third command. So it is used for separation of command, and the benefit here is you can run on the same line. Now you should know about the start command. Previously I have used start command here to run. Now we will use the start command here also. We will now make Chrome browser as our default browser. First of all, make Chrome browser as default. Now we will close this. Now we will use only start command to run. So once again I will copy this and paste it here. So here AND command will come handy. Now we will copy this command and paste in the command line. Now here you can see I have opened 4 tabs in the same window of Chrome. Google, Apple, YouTube, Microsoft. By using this, you can set your command URL, whatever it is, and you can open same in the window. The second method, you need to make Chrome browser as your default browser. So now let's dive into the third method, and that is open multiple web pages in different tabs in the same window for Chrome browser by customizing a startup setting in Chrome and executing Windows command in CMD, or you can do it by double clicking on Chrome browser icon. So now here I will set and Microsoft also. From command line also we can start the Chrome. We can go to properties and copy this target location. Now file it here. See, whatever I have set in the setting Here it has opened all the tabs in the same window. These are the three methods by which you can open multiple web pages in different tabs in the same window for Chrome browser. Now you can say that third method is very easy one. Yes, the third method is easy, but you want to open different web pages in different browser, then first method will come to rescue. This one. If you want different app, different browser to open different web pages, then this method will work. So first method is best suitable if you want to launch your whole work schedule in single command. I have shown in my first video how you can execute all these commands using Cortana. I will give you Cortana commands also. After 3-4 tutorials, it has saved me lots of time. In the next video, I will show you how to open multiple web pages in different tabs in the same window for Internet Explorer browser. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.